A new experience awaits users of the Cerritos Sports Complex, following significant turf enhancements on fields 3, 4, 5, and 6. The project began with the application of 2 rounds of herbicide to remove the existing turf. Following this, the soil was tilled to a depth of 12 inches using a pulverizer and excavator to prepare it for new material. Next, 3,000 tons of unique sports blend sand was imported to further improve soil conditions. To ensure level playing fields, the city utilized laser grading on fields 3, 4, and 5. For efficient water management, perforated pipes were installed for underground drainage due to their superior ability to absorb and redirect water. The city installed 403,000 square feet of sod. New irrigation controllers with off-site remote control capabilities were also introduced, along with the system that distributes fertilizer through the irrigation network seamlessly. In addition to the turf upgrades, the city planted 65 new trees and made various other landscape improvements to enhance the overall environment. The City of Cerritos is proud to welcome the community back to enjoy these extensive upgrades at the Cerritos Sports Complex.